and our planet depends on damage than ever before. While nature provides the spark, human actions are often the fuel that drives wildfires to catastrophic levels. Carelessness plays a significant role. A discarded cigarette, a campfire left unattended, or even the heat from a car's exhaust can ignite dry grass and spark a blaze. Beyond negligence, deliberate acts of arson account for a significant portion of wildfires. These intentional fires are not only illegal but also pose a serious threat to lives, property, and the environment. Additionally, agricultural practices, such as burning fields for clearing or land management, can easily escape control, leading to devastating consequences. Industrial activities, like malfunctioning power lines or sparks from machinery, also contribute to the ignition of wildfires, particularly in areas with dry conditions and abundant fuel. Climate change acts as a force multiplier, exacerbating the risks and impacts of wildfires. Rising global temperatures lead to hotter, drier conditions, turning forests and grasslands into tinderboxes primed for ignition. As temperatures rise, vegetation loses moisture, becoming more flammable and readily ignitable. The effects of climate change go beyond simply drying out vegetation. Warmer temperatures also contribute to earlier snowmelt, leading to extended fire seasons that now stretch well beyond the traditional summer months. Furthermore, climate change is altering weather patterns, leading to more frequent and intense wind events. These winds, often driven by thunderstorms, can carry embers for miles, igniting spot fires and causing wildfires to spread at alarming rates. The 2018 Camp Fire in California stands as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of wildfires in a changing climate. The fire, ignited by faulty electrical transmission lines, ripped through the town of Paradise, California, killing 85 people and destroying nearly 19,000 structures. The campfire's rapid spread was fueled by a combination of factors. Years of drought had left vegetation critically dry, and strong winds pushed the flames with terrifying speed. The fire exposed the vulnerabilities of communities located in fire-prone areas and highlighted the importance of forest management and fire prevention strategies. The campfire serves as a tragic reminder that the consequences of inaction are real and the time to act is now. Section 6. A shared responsibility, preventing future tragedies. Preventing wildfires is a shared responsibility that requires a multifaceted protecting our communities from the threat of wildfires. Homes were on the line because, in a very real sense, they are. Communities that are more resilient to the threat of wildfires. Section 9. Conclusion. Our future, free from fire's grip. Wildfires are a complex issue with no easy solutions, but by understanding the factors that contribute to their increasing frequency and intensity, we can take meaningful steps to mitigate risks and protect the places we hold dear. From individual actions to community-wide efforts, we all have a role to play in creating a future where wildfires are no longer a threat to our homes, our health, or our planet. Let us move forward with a shared sense of purpose, determined to prevent future tragedies and protect the natural world for generations to come. Together, we can turn the tide on this growing crisis and create a future where the destructive power of wildfires is tamed and our communities thrive in harmony with nature.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our journey of learning and growth.